The study abroad experience. Emily decided to study abroad in Italy for a semester. She was excited but nervous because she didn't know anyone there. On her first day, she met Lucia, an Italian student who helped her feel comfortable. Lucia showed her around the campus and introduced her to her friends. Emily was very happy to learn about Italian culture and practice her Italian language skills. They studied together and explored Italy on weekends. Emily learned about Italian food, traditions, and daily life. Studying abroad is the best way to learn about the world, Emily thought. By the end of the semester, she had made lasting friendship with Lucia and her friends. She was sad to leave but promised to return one day. Studying abroad had been an unforgettable experience, and Emily knew it would shape her life forever. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more English stories.